Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the right anchor thread weight for your fabric, heavier weight for denim, lighter for linen. Once chosen, hoop the fabric taut and mark the stitch start. Thread the needle with a tail of about 1 to 2 inches and make a small knot or loop. This provides initial hold. Push the needle from the back to the front at the start point, then take a tiny backstitch to lock the tail. This first lock prevents shifting as you build tension and establishes your base. Now you create repeating anchor stitches that will hold surface embroidery. Start with split stitches or short back stitches spaced roughly 1/8 to 1/4 inch. This spreads load and prevents holes. Make sure your tension is consistent, too tight and the fabric puckers, too loose and the thread slips. When practical, stitch over the initial tail to secure it invisibly. Once a small stable bed of anchors exists, use long runs of decorative stitches on top. The anchor foundation will carry the pull without distortion. To finish, weave 3 tiny reverse stitches into the anchor area to lock the thread and trim tails to about 1/8 inch for a clean back. If you notice puckering, stop immediately, release the hoop, retension the fabric, and then continue. This corrects distortion without losing placement. For fraying or weak anchors, reinforce with a short zigzag or a touch of fabric-safe glue on the back, making sure it dries flat. These final checks ensure durability and a neat appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.